The US dollar has ruled global finance for nearly a century. It's the currency of international trade, the backbone of reserves, and a symbol of stability. But what happens when that dominance is challenged? Enter BRICS, a coalition of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, who are now rewriting the rules of the global economy. Could this shift spark a financial crisis that shakes the world? BRICS isn't just a group of nations, it's an economic powerhouse. Together, these 5 countries represent over 40% of the world's population and nearly a quarter of global GDP. But their real goal? To reduce reliance on the US dollar and create a financial system that's free from Western dominance. De-dollarization is the process of moving away from the US dollar as the default currency for global trade. BRICS nations have been at the forefront of this movement, signing bilateral trade agreements in local currencies and even discussing the creation of a unified BRICS currency. This shift could change everything. For decades, the US dollar has been a cornerstone of global stability, but now BRICS is asking, what if we didn't need the dollar at all? And that question could be the beginning of a global financial upheaval. Let's break it down. Many countries hold their reserves in US dollars. If the dollar loses its dominance, those reserves could suddenly lose value, sending shockwaves through economies worldwide. Developing nations, already struggling with inflation and debt, could face severe crises. And it's not just developing countries. A weaker dollar could destabilize US financial markets, leading to higher interest rates, job losses, and economic uncertainty at home. When one currency's dominance fades, it doesn't happen in isolation. The global financial system is interconnected. If the dollar weakens, international trade could suffer, markets might collapse, and geopolitical tensions could rise as countries scramble to protect their interests. Creating an alternative to the US dollar isn't easy. The BRICS nations have different political systems, competing interests, and varied levels of economic development. But if they succeed, even partially, the world could enter a new era of financial instability. This isn't just about economics, it's about power. A shift away from the US dollar would change the balance of global power, and with that comes uncertainty, instability, and yes, a potential financial crisis. The question is, are we prepared for what's coming? Do you think BRICS could dethrone the US dollar? What would a world without dollar dominance look like? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the forces shaping our future.